Sometimes, people will associate cellulites to those who are obese. Cellulites refers to the chain of wrinkled fat cells beneath the layer of the skin. But there are many people who have cellulite but don't have fats at all. Nobody would really know why some people have accumulated cellulite. But there are some factors that we can consider why cellulite or fat cells have entered the body. Some experts would say this is maybe because of hormonal imbalance, especially to those women. And women, in most cases, acquire it more than men. Some people may blame cellulites to cause them to look fat. Even though not all those who are obese can develop cellulites, being overweight can really trigger the development of cellulites. This is because too much fat under the skin tends to push the connective tissue, creating a strain on the skin. Thus, cellulites form. There are important things to remember on how to avoid accumulating excess fats and the development of cellulite. Transforming food into fat seems all too easy for most of us. Losing fat is far more difficult, and to accomplish this, we have only 3 alternatives. First is to decrease food intake and keep activity constant. Second, increase activity and keep food intake constant. Or 3, combine both approaches, diet and exercise. For people who are prone to cellulites, this will be a greater problem. Losing connective tissues instead of fat by strict dieting can only make the skin more prone to greater problems. But the fat cells are still there. That only means that the problem is not solved at all. If you wish to lose those cellulites, it would be better to lose those fats first. The idea here is to burn those fats by increasing your metabolism by 7.5% to 28%, more than normal rate. So for a more cellulite-free body, always engage in an exercise routine.